Today I'm going to show you how to type vertically in Photopea using the vertical type tool step by step. This is a super useful trick when you want your text to flow downward line by line while keeping each letter right side up. It's great for posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, labels, and any design where normal horizontal text just doesn't fit. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photopea and make sure you have your project ready. If you already have an image or blank canvas open, you're good to go. Now look at the left toolbar and find the type tool icon. It usually looks like a capital T. To see the other text options, left click and hold that type tool icon for a moment. A small submenu will appear with different type tools. From that menu, choose vertical type tool. This is the key step because this tool is what makes your text stack vertically instead of going across the page. If you don't see it right away, you can also cycle through the type tools by pressing Shift+T on your keyboard until the vertical option appears. Once the vertical type tool is selected, move your cursor onto the canvas and click anywhere you want your text to start. As soon as you click, just begin typing. You'll notice that your text automatically flows downward, one character at a time, while each letter stays upright. That means the text is readable in a vertical layout without being rotated into a side-facing mess. You can type a single word, a name, or even a short phrase depending on the design you're making. If you need to edit the text, just click back into it and make your changes like normal. You can also reposition the text layer after typing if you want to move it to a better spot on the canvas. When you're finished typing, press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard to confirm the text. If you prefer, you can also click the check mark in the top bar to finish editing. That locks in your vertical text so you can continue designing without accidentally changing it. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can type vertically in Photopea and create clean stacked text for all kinds of designs. Once you know where the vertical type tool is, it becomes a quick and easy part of your workflow. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photopea tips, beginner guides, and quick design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.